Okay, so what we have is basically a gambling game where we're rolling a die, and you're going to get some reward based on what the die rolls. Okay? Now, the issue is that the die we have is not fair. Okay? So you can see I have the... Can you put the probability of I on the top of the table on the right hand?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Probability that X equals I.
X equals I?
Yeah. Okay. So you can see the probability isn't spread evenly. Okay? You'll never roll a 2, and you're way more likely to roll a 5 or a 6. Okay? So in this game, what's going to happen is, if you roll a number greater than 4, so not including 4, so basically 5 and 6, you're going to win $1. Otherwise, you win whatever you rolled. Okay? So if you rolled a 3, then you'll get $3 back. If you roll a 2, you get a $1 back, and if you roll a 1, you get a $1.
And if you roll a 4, you get a 4.
You get a 4. Yeah.
First of the thing. This is...
Oh, we're good. Oh, out of focus?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's just going to go in and out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, unfortunately. Okay, so there are 2 questions here. One is, what is the reward function? So write it as a mathematical equation.
So we have,
And the other is, what is the expected reward?
so we got z of x. And we're gonna have, so if
So this is where you do that curly bracket thing? Yeah? Okay. So if
It is $1.
if
No, I think the amount of reward is $1, right?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. So let's. Well, okay. So there are actually many answers
Yeah.
to this question. Okay. So why don't you guys work out one, and I'll give a.
So
do we lose $1? How much?
no, greater than 4.
If the roll is greater than 4, you win
Yes.
$1. Else win $1. So if you win $1,
Yes.
if
Comma
x
X.
equals.
No, it's greater
Greater
than
than
4.
4.
Oh well.
Well,
He's right too.
Well, yeah, he is
yeah, he's
right.
right.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. So go ahead and put what you were gonna do,
I was gonna do
because that was right.
if
Yeah.
x equals 1. and
Okay.
It's gonna go down.
Okay. Sure.
So you win.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
If x equals 2, even though do we still write it even though it's impossible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
X equals 2, and then 3, x equals 3, 4, x equals 4.
Then
and
1
then,
again.
Yeah, 1. X equals
5.
5, and then
1.
You can just write x
Okay. So
greater
can
than
we
4.
write
no?
this in 2 lines?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
We can write it as
Okay.
just x greater than 4. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
I will go reverse again from 1 after that.
Yeah, me too. I was
Yeah.
gonna go with that one first.
So then we got
1
1 is comma
x greater than 4.
x greater than 4.
Okay. What about? Well, so I want to. All those 4 lines on top you can do as 1 line.
True.
Oh yeah.
And if x equals n.
I think I know. I think it's you win.
All the line.
So what you have was correct. So let's. I just
Yeah.
want to be clear about that for folks who are watching.
So you do $, I, comma x less than 4.
When you do
Yeah. And actually,
X
instead of
instead of
I,
I.
let's put X. $sign X.
$x. Oh,
Yeah.
you're right because x
Yeah.
is what you
And one other thing, instead of putting Z of X, let's call it R. Is that
RX.
that should be R?
Yeah.
are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I only did
It's
0
just
because of the
31.
whole
Yes.
thing.
Yeah.
That's all I was thinking.
Oh, do they call it Z? Yeah.
No,
So
but
I
you
usually
said-
like to
Go.
use R as the
Who's-
reward.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So either this one's
We have a
right
question,
or the
question.
one that you had before is correct.
Yes, and
Either one is
Yeah.
fine.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm waiting.
So now let's calculate the
Oh,
expected reward.
So
So the first thing we want to do is write the expected reward equation.
so expected
أجوا
reward, it would just be what the summation
Yeah.
of p of x.
Yeah.
P of x times
Reward
reward.
of X. Perfect.
for the help.
Yeah, no problem. And what's the summation? The summation is over all the X, right?
Yeah, so we go. Wait,
So what values can X be?
x can be 1 through 6.
Perfect. Yeah.
Wait, so I just put
Yeah. So you put X equals 1
x equals 1.
and then 6 on top. Okay. And what I want you to be careful about is you need to tell me what this is equal to. So
So So you said RX, so the expected. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Okay,
okay, so now you can start filling stuff out, right?
Yeah. So then you could just do, so then you just do. So you do 1/12 times 1
Mhm.
plus 0/12 times 2 plus 2/12 times 3 plus 1/12 times 4, yeah. And then do plus 5/12 times 1
Perfect. Good.
plus 3/12 times 1. And then that's going to equal something.
Okay. So let me see if I can calculate it real fast. That way we can sort of pretend. And I'm gonna follow up with another question. Okay? So 1, 0, 2, 1.
What is reward of X? What is expected reward of X? I don't know what the difference is.
Wait, what? No, so you gave me the reward function is what
the
you
base
wrote
function.
up above.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Yeah, so you gave me that guy. Alright, and then the next question is what is the expected reward? Okay, and I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, so I think the answer is 1.58.
1.58. $8.
Okay. So a good question is the game worth playing if you have to pay $1 to play?
Yes, you want.
Yes.
Okay.
Go away.
Yeah, in the expectation. So,
Yeah. No,
so is the game worth playing if you have to pay $2 to play?
No.
No.
Because I'm losing money.
Perfect. Good. Yeah, not a bad problem. This would be like one of the straightforward problems I expect you guys to
Yeah,
get on
to
an
know.
exam. Okay? And again, you should be able to knock it out in about 10 minutes.
It's not too bad.